Hello and welcome to DrayTek Vigor 3912 video series. My name is Seshu and I'm part of DVCOM support and training team. And in this video, I'm going to show it to you how to take the backup of your DrayTek Vigor 3912 router and how to restore it. But before I'm going to take the backup, make sure that what's the IP address that I configured. Let's go and show it to you. So I have configured the IP address as my PC is connected on port number 12 and I have configured 192.168.2 and 12.1 and I have enabled the DHCP. That's why I got the IP address from the same subnet. Okay, so let's go and access this. And if you want to understand what I did it, the configurations and all, please watch all my videos so that you will get some idea, guys. Yeah, let's go and do that. So just minimize this and open the browser, and this is the IP address which is 212.1 and 8080 is my HTTP port number. So now let's go and log in that admin, say login. So now what I'm going to do now, you can go to the system maintenance. Then after that, you can see there is a configuration backup. Click on that. So now I want to take the backup. So there is a normal backup or product full with password. I don't want any password. I want to take a normal backup. Just click on the backup. Then see here, keep. No problem, chief. You can keep there. So my backup is here. I don't want to delete this. You can click here and you can able to see by default the backup is there. Okay, guys. So where is this backup? Oh, the backup is somewhere. Where is that? I just keep it here. Okay. So delete unverified file or else what is this? We have 3912 blah blah blah. Okay. Let's go and don't get confused. Click on the backup. Say it's save. So I'm going to say keep and download unverified file. Let's choose block some downloads. Oh, no. Don't choose anything, guys. Yeah. Oh, it's blocked. Why it's blocked? Is there anything wrong? No, there is nothing wrong, buddy. It's there. See here. It's there. Yeah. It's there. The configuration file is here. So nothing to worry. In case if you find these kind of challenges, because sometimes maybe my browser thinks that, oh, this is something malicious. No, it's not a malicious. Okay. Nothing to worry. So just click on the normal backup. Now, I don't want to restore it immediately. Okay. So that what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do the factory reset. How to do that? Go to the reboot. Then after that, wipe out all the data. Reboot now. Say, okay, I'm going to wipe out, guys. I don't know what's going to happen now. Okay. I lost all my configuration. See, it's going to take some time. So meanwhile, what I will do, I know the default IP address is 192.168.1.1, right? I'll just keep continue, guys. I don't want to make a pass. Okay. Just wait now. So what it does, my router is going to be reset the whole configurations and it will come as a brand new. So now you can see here, if my PC is picked the IP address from 192.168.1 subnet, I can get the IP address and I can get the reply. Right, guys? So just wait for a few more seconds. Let's see what's going on in the behind scenes. Okay, still request time dot. Oh, ping transmit failed. No problem. General failure. No problem. Thank you very much. So whenever you are getting these kind of things, in case you feel that it's not coming up, don't get nervous, guys. Just open your network settings. Oh, it got it. Thank you. Oh, again it went off. No problem. Just wait. Okay, guys. ncpa.cpl. Say it got it finally. So nothing to worry. But what I'm trying to say here, whenever you found these kind of issues, just disable it and enable it. Again, it will come back. So close this. Now I'm trying to access 192.168.1.1. That's it. Now log in, username as admin, password as admin. Thank you so much, guys. Say okay. Now just go to the system maintenance. Then after that, you can see here there is a configuration backup is there. So from here I want to restore it. So where is the restore file? Click on the restore. Then, oh, I didn't select the file. How you click on restore, man? Click on choose file. Where is that? Where is that? It's in my downloads folder. Okay. Then after that, this is the file. Then click on open. Then restore. Say okay. Configuration restore is in progress. It must not be interrupted. Router will reboot after configuration restore. Thank you so much. So I know that once actually my PC is connected on port number 12, in my previous video, I have changed the IP address, right guys? For port number 12, it comes as a 212, right? So I can give you ping-t 192.168.212.1. So it's a general failure, no problem. Thank you very much. Take your time. Then after that, the port will be reset from the DrayTek. And as per the new configuration, it's going to take one IP address. It's going to push one IP address to my PC. Then after that, I will get the new IP address. Let's go and check it now. Request timed out. No problem. No problem. I'm not in a hurry. So I'm just waiting for that. What's going to happen? So as I told you guys, in case if you are feeling that, oh, the IP address is not coming, man, what's going on behind the scenes? Just open your network settings. See, same thing, it happened previously. Okay, ping transmit failed, right? So now it will come back and it will come back with the IP address. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Okay, let's wait for it. Oh, request time. Congratulations. Thanks to DrayTek, guys. What a wonderful here. Now type it here. What's IP? 12.1. But my configurations has to be, you know that what I'm trying to talk. Yeah, 212. Sorry, 212.1 colon 8080. That's it. Thanks to DrayTek guys, admin and admin. Say login. Oh, sorry, buddy. You changed the password. Yeah, this is my password. So it's my secret password, capital P at the rate SSW0RT. That's it. So far I have done it, guys. So this is how you are going to restore and how you are going to take the backup. Okay. And if you find any challenges or if you want to buy this product and if you want any enquiries, okay, please send us an email for sales@datawise.com. Okay. For support, please send us an email support@datawise.com. I hope this has been informative and I would like to thank you for viewing.